What you're getting ready to learn is why Resell Circle is a better option. I was on Stan's store and I was on Beacons, and Resell Circle just happened to be the better option. And the reason why was because I was able to make money on multiple ways. I was able to make money through residual and passive. So when I looked at the big picture, I realized that Resell Circle was more of a system that got me out of the regular 9 to 5 system and allowed me to control the system. So instead of being controlled with get here at this time and do this that way and so forth and so on and all the rules and regulations and guidelines, here at Resell Circle, I created the guidelines. I was able to put digital products out, and I was also able to make money without even having a digital product. So before I even created a digital product, I was promoting other people's digital products. And then I realized that the platform itself was for sale, that I can sell Resell Circle as a whole, a complete system that was for sale. And so it's up to the person when they purchase Resell Circle to create a team. You have all the marketing information, tools that you need, everything. And then you have a mentor. And then you have guidance, and you have a community. And the community is so tight that they consider themselves a digital family instead of just a community. It's on school. I mean, it's just everywhere, and it's all over the place, and it has everything from music. So Spotify, watch out. Stand still, move over. Beacons, lay down. Gumroll, get behind me. Like Resell Circle is everything and all those things put together. This is the new conglomerate. Yep, it's coming up, and a lot of people don't know about it. So look out for my new ebook. It's going to be connected in here. Look out for How to Leave Your 9 to 5 in 90 Days. Look out for books like How to Start a Subscription-Based Company. That's another way to make money with Resell Circle, the subscriptions. When people lock in a Resell Circle and pay the $27 subscription fee, because they came through me, I get a percentage of that. It started with 40%, now I'm at 50%, and it goes all the way up to 60% of whatever their subscription price is. Right now, as of this video, the subscription price is $27. And it's gonna rise because I remember a time to come to Resell Circle was absolutely free. And now in order to operate and to play here on this playing field is $27 a month. It has a free link tree. Well, the link tree isn't free anymore, but you might as well say it's free because most link trees are from $18 or $15 all the way up to $20 to $30, $45. Here is a part of your package when you come to Resell Circle. This is truly a business in a box. And so my whole goal is to let people know exactly what's going on over here with Resell Circle. And come on over. If you're a content creator, come on over. If you got a following, come on over. If you don't know anything and was a novice like I was, come on over. Resell Circle is for everybody because the whole goal is this is another thing is a profit sharing community. So that means that if you had any part in the money or the transaction being done, you get paid. Here's another thing. Resell Circle has a legacy program. The legacy program means that when you get out of here, and I'm talking about checking out at the end, like overdone, finito, expired, you can leave all of the residual income that you're getting from the subscription fees to someone because those subscriptions continue to go. People are not letting go of their warehouse where all their digital products are stored. There's a host of assets here. Here's another thing. They have what they call an inner circle where the creator, Bishop Al Brown, what he does is he communicates directly with the inner circle. That's the Platinum Plus. You know I had to go to the top, Platinum Plus. But don't fear. This is not one of those $500, $600, $700 programs that I had and didn't know what to do with it. This is a program, $224, and you bought yourself a whole business. Guaranteed to get your money back if you put in the work. Now, what's the work that you have to put in? Copy and paste. Show and don't tell. That's another book that's a part of the program that comes for free. When you come in the Resell Circle, you come with like 10 or 12 books, if I'm not mistaken. It might be the reason why I say reason why I say not mistaken because it might be more. You know what I mean? So the whole goal is to get yourself over here, check it out, look around, peruse, see what's going on. You might not have heard about Resell Circle yet, but you will. And be one of the first. Be on the ground floor like me. I came in when a lot of stuff was free. I seen the business starting being built, and it's consistently being built. Millionaires done came through. Rockweiler, the producer, he's here with his music. There's a host of people here doing what they do and getting paid while they're doing it. Listen, Take it from me, somebody who knew nothing about digital marketing and now I'm making plenty money doing it. Everybody is doing it. This digital space is where it is, but where you do it is what's important. Do it over there with Resell Circle. I'm no expert. I'm not doing editing. I done made some mistakes. But one thing I am doing right is getting to that bag. And one other thing I want to do is help you get there too. Lock in the Resell Circle. I'm Divine. I'm over at Resell Circle. I'm sure you'll hear about me. You'll see me in the meetings. You'll listen. It's a done for you business. Everything that you need to be done to do, everything you need to get done in Resell Circle is over there and it's done for you.